Your bed frame is sabotaging your sleep. Every creak, every sag, every shift is stealing hours from your rest. Weak frames destroy mattresses faster, mess with your spine, and turn bedtime into a squeaky nightmare. Maimo's treated hardwood frames lock everything in place. Zero noise, zero movement, maximum comfort. Your back will thank you, your mattress will last longer, and your partner won't feel you toss and turn. Stop settling for wobbly sleep. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and also press subscribe button. For more infos, contact 674-432-899 or visit our website on maimo.cm.